You're sent to a world to be revolutionaries, change agents, influencers, disciples who seek to restore the world to what God intended from the beginning.
Then the 11 disciples went to Galilee, to the mountain where Jesus had told them to go.
When they saw him, they worshipped him, but some doubted.
Entonces Jesús se acercó y les dijo:
Por tanto, vayan y hagan discípulos de todas las naciones.
They baptized them with the Papa, the Pekin, and the Holy Spirit name.
Și învățați-i să păzească tot ce v-am poruncit.
Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses,
despojémonos de lastre que nos estorba.
And let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us.
Ayant les regards sur Jésus, le chef et le consommateur de la foi.
For the joy set before him, he endured the cross, scorning its shame.
Después se sentó a la derecha del trono de Dios.
Consider him who endured such opposition from sinners.
Και μην αποκάμετε και χάσετε το θάρρος σας.
Günahkarların bunca karşı kıymasını katlanmış olanı düşünün.
And surely I am with you always.
Always.
Always. Always.
Always, even to the very end of the age.